Bonjour à tous. Good morning everyone. Today let us see an important grammar topic called adjective possessive. In English it is possessive adjectives. Okay, so now let us move on to that. Subject pronouns here. Listen carefully. What is the subject pronoun here? It is je. Okay, so when je is present in the sentence, you have to use this mo, ma, me. You have to use this mo, ma, me. Masculine, feminine, plural. So, mon is masculine, ma is feminine, me is plural. Hope it is clear. Mo, ma, me. Now, let us see how it is getting framed. Now, let us see how it is getting framed. Noun or object starting with vowels A, E, I, O, U and H. What are all the vowels? A, E, I, O, U and H. Noun or object or a word starting with vowel, and also it should be singular, should be marked with mon always. Say for example, Ami. Ami means a friend who's a boy. A friend who's a boy. And this Ami ending up with E, it is a friend who's a girl. Girlfriend. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this mon, ma, may all together in English? It is my. Please keep this in mind. It is very, very important. So now, mon ami. Ami, it is starting with vowel A. It is starting with vowel A. Ami here, it is starting with vowel A. And it is also singular. This is also singular and this is also singular. And for both, the meaning in English is my friend. Okay. Now here, mon école. École means school. École means school. Mon école, my school. Mon école, my school. Okay. So, starting with E, vowel, and also it is singular, and also it is singular. So, in that case, you have to put mon only. So, you are very thorough with this, is it? So, if the word is starting with vowel and also it should be singular, vowel and singular, then in that case, it is always mon. Then, let us move on to the second one. Noun or object ending up with E is feminine and it is marked with ma. Listen carefully. Table ending up with E. Chase ending up with E. So, ma table, ma chase. Okay, so what is the meaning of ma table? My. Ma chase, my. So, for both mon and ma, the meaning is my only. Hope it is clear. And now, noun or object ending with other alphabets is masculine and should be marked with mon. Ending up with any other consonant or vowel, any other consonant or alphabet, it is always mon. Say for example, it is ending up with O, it is ending up with N here. So in that case, it is always masculine. It is always masculine. Noun or object ending up with other alphabets or consonant is always masculine and you have to mark up mon in front. So the meaning is my pen, my pencil. Okay, then. Fourth one. Noun or object ending up with S or X or ES. Noun or object ending up with S, ES or X is always plural and it is marked with may. And the meaning of may is my. Mes amis, my friends. Mes tables, my tables. May chase, my chairs. May stilo, my pens. May crayo, my pencils. Okay. So, may zami. It is ending up with S. In this case, you should not see this vowel because it is plural. Vowel concept is always not applicable for plural. Vowel is applicable only for singular. Okay, so though it is starting with vowel, since it is ending up with S, it is plural, and vowel concept what we have learnt here is not applicable here. So for all the plural, it is may only. Okay. Now let us see some examples. Let us see some examples. J'aime mon père. I like my father. Père means father. Père means father. So, father is masculine. There are certain cases where we have to apply logic. We cannot always keep on mind that whatever ending up with E is feminine. Yes, of course it is, but there are some exceptionals, and also in some cases you have to apply the logic. Okay. So, I like my father. Father is masculine. Father is masculine. So, for masculine, what you have to put? Mon. Okay. Then, j'aime ma mère. I like my mother. Mère means mother. Mère means mother. Ma mère. Mother is feminine. Mother is feminine. Ma mère. J'aime mes parents. I like my parents. J'aime mes parents. I like my parents. Parents is plural. Parents is always plural. So it is mes parents. Mes parents. And here I like my friend. It is starting with A and it is also singular. It is starting with vowel and it is singular. So it is mon ami. It is I like my friend. Okay, so it is masculine here, and this one is feminine. I like my friend, though it is starting with vowel. Ending up with E is always feminine, so it is singular. So it is starting with vowel and also it is singular. So in this case also it is mon ami only. Then here it is starting with vowel and it is ending up with S, it is plural. It means I like my friends. I like my friends. So for plural it is always may. Then here also, though it is starting with vowel, it is ending up with es. It is plural. So for plural, vowel concept is not applicable and hence it is mes only. Mes amis. Okay. Then I like my school. I like my school. School is singular and it is starting with vowel. School is singular and it is starting with vowel. So you have to put mon here. Okay. Then j'aime mon étudiant. I like my student. I like my student, masculine, singular. So mon, because he is a vowel here and it is singular. Then I like my student who's a girl, because ending up with E, no. So always ending up with E is feminine singular. Okay. So it is starting with vowel and it is singular. It is starting with vowel and it is singular. So it is feminine singular. So for this also what? Mon étudiant. Okay. Then next one, I like my friends. Ending, though it is starting with vowel, it is ending up with S. So it is plural. So it is plural. And this one also, it is starting with, though it is starting with vowel, it is ending up with Yes, it is plural. So for plural concept, for plural, vowel concept is not applicable. As usual, you have to apply the plural method here. So mes étudiantes, j'aime mes étudiantes. Okay. Now 12th one, complete with an adjective possessive. Complétez avec an adjective possessive. Dash city is Pondicherry. My city is Pondicherry. Ma vie est Pondicherry. Ma vie est Pondicherry. My city is Pondicherry. Okay. So, city, V is ending up with E. V is ending up with E. V is ending up with E. So, it is what? Whatever ending up with E is feminine. So, for feminine, ma. Ma vie est Pondicherry. Then, address. It is starting with vowel and also it is singular. So, what should come here? Mon. Mon adresse. Mon adresse est 12 rue Surcouf, Pondicherry. Surcouf, Pondicherry. Then, next one, mon père. Mon père est homme d'affaires. My father is a businessman. Father, père is father. So, for father it is always mon. Ma mère est femme au foyer. My mother is an housewife. So, mother is feminine. So, ma mère. Hope it is clear? Okay. Then, the next one is the name of my school, école. School is singular and also it is starting with vowel. So, it is mon école. The name of my school is Shakti Vidyalaya. Le nom de mon école est Shakti Vidyalaya. École is starting with vowel and it is singular. So, it is mon école. Okay. Then, 13th exercise. My dear Paul, mon cher Paul, où est dash passport? Where is your passport? Where is your passport? Il est dans dash sac. It is in my bag. So here, what we are going to do is, we are going to apply the other grammar of adjective possessive. The next one of adjective possessive. Hope it is clear. So, the next grammar in adjective possessive is ton, ta, te. This we can see in the next class. First, I want you to be thorough with the first grammar concept of adjective possessive, that is mo, ma, me. Mo, ma, me. Then the next grammar what we are going to see is ton, ta, te. Okay, this we can see later. First, you be thorough with the mo, ma, me concept. Hope you are very clear with mo, ma, me concept. Let me give a quick recap of what we have learned here. Mo, ma, me concept. Mo means masculine, ma means feminine, me means plural. Mon is applicable for vowel and singular and also for the words ending up with other alphabets. Ma is applicable for the words or noun ending up with E. Me is applicable for the word or noun ending up with S, ES and X. Hope it is clear for you. Okay. So, please be thorough with this concept. Initially, it seems to be very easy, but later on, you have much more grammar in this adjective possessive. So, if you are not thorough with this one, you cannot understand the remaining portion. Okay. So, the next exercise is about ton, ta, te. here this one you have your book like that, it will come. So before going to that, you be thorough with this mo ma may. And also if the sentence is starting with je, you have to apply this mo ma may concept only. Hope you are very clear. Okay.